It is an honor to invite Shri Surendra Mehta, Secretary of India Bullion and Jewellery Association, to formally welcome you to this wonderful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Surendra Mehta.
His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind ji, Governor of Bihar, Shri Mohit Kamboj, President India Bullion and Jewellers Association, Shri Suresh Jain, ex-president of our association. On behalf of India Bullion Jewellers Association, it is indeed my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind ji on the occasion of formal launch of our three initiatives, that is World Silver Council, IPJA Skill Development Council and First Step Foundations. We are all very fortunate that these three initiatives will be launched by our chief guest, His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind ji, who has travelled all the way from Bihar to honor us. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, our association is now 67-year-old and is an apex body of bullion dealers and jewelers in the country. The continuous change and fast growth in the business environment in the country had made us to formally bifurcate bullion business into two divisions, that is gold and silver. I am pleased to acknowledge that World Silver Council has been designed following an extensive stakeholder consultation process. I strongly believe that World Silver Council will allow us to achieve a greater result and bring meaningful changes by having all key counterparts around the table under a multi-sectorial coordinated and integrated approach. A trade body and an association must think beyond the traders and stakeholders. Our association's vision is to enhance the skills of our workers, to ensure that the new generations also adopt the same skill as their forefathers used to have to manufacture the jewelry. It was necessary to introduce Skill Development Council. Our President, Mr. Mohit Kamboj, will enlighten you with the need of the separate IPJA Skill Development Council. A 67-year-old association had, apart from corporate responsibility, various other social responsibility, not only towards the stakeholders but also towards the workers, staff and society as a whole. First Step Foundation is one such initiative, and we are sure a country which imports almost 1,000 tons of gold every year will take care of needs of the people who are deserving. On behalf of entire gem and jewelry fraternity and on behalf of our India Bullion and Jewellers Association, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation once again to His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind ji for his presence as the chief guest to support the initiatives of our association. Thank you.